Get excited about the 2016 Ford F-150. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this truck stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.